Hey guys, we're starting a new job today. I'm going to show you why we need to store some extra stuff on site and why we need to have either an extra space or more frequently, we just need to park a U-Haul on site. So right here, you can see this is all the building material for this job site. Building boards, countertop, toilet, vanity. We have the bathtub, insulation, and a bunch of tools, tile cutter, shower fixtures, what have you. And this is only, I guess, about a third of the tool. I already put most of them upstairs. So we effectively need to at least have a one-car garage right here. And we also have a U-Haul right here for our disposal. So I'm going to show you what we did with the floor protection. Okay. We always overbuy, so we have a bunch of leftover. Coming in here, first floor, all protected, stairway. And we also protected this powder room. This is going to be the bathroom we're going to get to use during our time here. Then coming up, this is the bathroom in question. We're going to be demoing, covered all the way through. Here is a bedroom we need to take over for our tool storage and work area. So it closes window so the dust extractor can just keep blowing air out, creating a negative air pressure. That way, all the dust from here will just keep getting sucked in and not go to the rest of the house. I also have another hose I'm going to connect once the demo starts. So the hose will basically be right here, and that's going to increase the suction power even more. So here, see, we got like our tools. There are just quite a lot here. All right, so this is why I say we also need to have at least one extra room, to use as a staging area, plus the garage downstairs.